guys, today we're going to do a shaker card using Close to My Heart products. I'll walk you through some of the things you're going to need. You're going to need a die cutting machine, our thin cuts shaker window dies. You'll need a card base that I've already decorated here as an example. You'll need our shaker window foam and acetate. This comes with adhesive foam and acetate sheets. You'll need some ink, a stamp to stamp in the middle of your design. I'm doing a happy birthday. You'll need some sequins or some kind of confetti type products. Maybe some extra adhesive. And then I'm just using a kind of a loose pattern here. And here's how to do it. So like I said, I already have my base card done. It's just the design of the base. And I'm going to put the shaker window right in the middle. And it's going to be a happy birthday card. So I'll start by cutting my die cuts first. And I'm going to do a white background for my shaker window and a white border. Just going to lay my dies face down. And I'm going to cut my area here. I think what passed through should be enough. Put it over to the side here. Yep. Okay, so we have our base. And we have a second base, which we will discard for now as a scrap. And then we have the outline. So we'll save this for last. So you're going to take your card and you're going to adhere your base if it doesn't already have a circle on it. Going to pull out the shaker window foam and acetate. And in this you get enough to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shaker windows and 6 windows. So that's really nice to be able to do multiple cards. So what's cool about this is that you're really only going to use the outside foam piece, and then as kind of a bonus you get all these little pop dots in the middle you can use for other things. So I'm going to just peel off and keep the top layer on the foam ring. Extra little piece. You have your foam ring, and you're gonna just lay it down right over top of where your circle is cut. And you're gonna push that down. Now before you peel off the cover on your sticker, you're gonna wanna pour in your sequins. Oh, I forgot a step. You should probably stamp your stuff before you put your foam stuff down. Alright. So go ahead and pour in your sequences. Sequins. You can do as many or as little as you like. Just don't fill it all the way up. You want to be able to still see the happy birthday if the card is tilted down. Let's try that here. Let's see what it would look like. Maybe a few too many. We'll just set those aside. Then you're going to get your piece of acetate ready. This is just going to be the clear plastic that's going to go over top. Put everything in the middle, kind of helps. And you're going to peel up the top layer. Try not to get any sequences like I did. And you're going to lay that right on top. And because that doesn't look super pretty, that's when you're going to use this ring that's kind of got stitches on it. Flip it over to the back side, put some adhesive on it. And this is just an extra step to make it pretty. It's not a necessary step, but it just kind of gives it a nice little decorative pop. Get that centered on there. Push that down. That's it. That's your shaker card. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. It really helps me out when you do.